here for this. So I'm zeroed out there. So make sure your rock is submerged without touching anything. Okay, it's floating in water. And I'm looking at 36.7. 36.7 is the second number. So you need a calculator. And you take the first number, which is the dry weight, 96.6 divided by 36.7 equals 2.63, which is closer to quartz, right? So unfortunately, I was very disappointed to find that this was quartz. Still, in order to test my topaz, this is a smaller piece. I'm going to zero it out again. Put this piece on here. This is a smaller piece. So it's 10.8 grams. And I'm going to put this on here. Smaller little basket. Make sure it doesn't fall through. Yeah. I'm gonna put this in there as well and zero it out. Okay, so now I put this stone in here. Let's see what the weight in is there. It's 2.8. 2.8. So it's 10.8 divided by 2.8, 3.8. So this is a topaz. So that's how you come up with a specific gravity, and that'll help you narrow down, you know, what rock you're working with. All of these, I was hoping was topaz, was not. These were all quartzes. So.
Can I ask that